Lesson 15.13 is finding area of a triangle on a coordinate grid. So we're not doing perimeter, we're doing area, which is like the squares inside of a shape. So we've got our vertices. K is at 4, -6, L is at 6, -8, and M is at 9, -2. They've already drawn it for us, and it's inside a rectangle. We're just trying to find, again, the area of the triangle. So the inside space here. And it does look to be a right triangle, so I could find the distance from K to L, but it's a slanted line, so I would have to do distance formula. I could find the distance from K to M, but again, I would have to do distance formula. And then area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I could do that. The thing that's going to be easier and faster, though, is let's actually find the area of this entire rectangle and then subtract these triangles, the negative space away, and it'll leave us with the area of just this highlighted triangle. So the rectangle, it looks like it goes from an x value of 4 to 9, so that would mean this is 5. And it goes from a y value of -2 to -8, which would mean this is a distance of 6. So our total area of the rectangle, just length times width, which is 30. So we'll be subtracting things from 30. Let's start with this big one right here, this big triangle. So this looks like it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has sides 4 and 5. So we'll find area of that triangle be 1/2 times 4 times 5. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. Half of 20 would make that 10. So this is 10 inside of here. Let's do the little baby triangle here. This has side of 2 and another side of 2. So that area would be 1/2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Half of 4 would be 2 is my area. I'm going to circle those areas. And then last triangle, this would be 1, 2, 3 for one of the legs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the other leg. So that would be half of 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Half of 18 is 9. So we're going to take our total area of 30 and subtract 10. Which should leave us with 20. Subtract the 2, which would leave us with 18. And subtract the 9, which would leave us with 9 square units. They don't give us a label. So I'm just going to write units squared. So that literally means if I could piece all these boxes together, it would make 9 total boxes for the area inside that shaded figure. So really, instead of doing Pythagorean theorem, just take the area of a rectangle and subtract all the negative space, the space you don't want, and that'll leave you with the area that you do want.